Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. And today, instead of the usual unboxing the aircraft, I'm putting my aircraft for sale. They were being unboxed not too long ago, but right now I'm putting them for sale. So if any of you interested in purchasing this aircraft, please let me know. You can make a comment below and we can talk about shipping or the price. And I'm sorry for any inconvenience. As of right now, I only ship within the continental United States only. The 4 Rolls-Royce engine. At a takeoff position. So if any of you have flown on this Korean airline Airbus A380 before and would like to have one display in your home, in your house or office, you can get it off. You can buy it from me at a fraction of the cost. And if you were to get it brand new, it will cost much more than you were to buy from me. And this is 1/160 scale, and the length from nose to tail is 17.7 inches, and from wingtip to wingtip is 20 inches long, and the height from the ground to the top of the tail is about 7.7 inches. There you can see that the bird is taking off into the air. Such a beautiful aircraft. I need to make room for other aircraft, and at the moment I don't have space to put them, so that is why I put all my Airbus fleet for sale. I don't want to let it go, but because I need room for other aircraft that I have been ordering, so I have to make a tough decision to eliminate the fleet of Airbus A380. And this particular one is the Korean Air Airbus A380. There you can see the registration on the wing. HL7628. And you can look up that registration number and find out more information about this aircraft in real life. And once again, just want to let you know that this is a display model. So some of the features may not reflect the real aircraft. But for display purposes, it's a good choice compared to a die-cast model. and consider the size of 1/160 scale. It's enormous. It's nice and blue. I really love the color. Everything's still brand new. I just unboxed them to shoot a video. It's almost like brand new, and I always handle them with my gloves on. You can buy it for yourself. You can buy it as a gift to give this to somebody, to someone. Birthday gift, retirement gift, or even Father's Day's gift, which coming up soon, or even Mother's Day's gift. All right, thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button for more video update.